Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete a domain on Shopify. The first thing we'll do is open our browser. We must have our account logged into Shopify. Click the Settings button at the bottom right. We'll appear in our store settings. Click on Domains. Here we will see a list of the domains we have. We will also see the option to buy a domain. To delete a domain, click on it. More information about our domain will appear. A button to delete the domain will also appear. Confirm the deletion of the domain. And that's it. The domain you have connected to Shopify will have been deleted. Well, that's all. Don't forget to share the video. Like and subscribe. See you next time.